So you got a sprayer like this, whether it's a generic copy like I got right here, or it's a legitimate Sure Shot. One of the common feelings that I have with mine, because I got 3 of them, is this right here. You'll start spraying it, be fully pressurized, but it just dribbles out the end. Well, what happens is something is blocking this little nozzle right here. Now, I use a strainer to fill these things. I'm very careful about not getting any dirt inside of it. I don't know if it's corrosion inside of the tank here, or if it's something that forms from the material setting in there. I do not know, and I don't care. What you got to do is depressurize it, take this off, get your air hose, compressor, whatever, and blow this out. I mean, I suppose you could get like a welding tip cleaner and route that out, but I don't want to enlarge that hole because, I mean, that's, you know, the spray volume, that the size of this hole in here. But blow that out, hold it up to the light. That's what I do. If you can see through it, it works. When it's clogged and you take it off, you'll hold it up to the light and you cannot see what's going on. Clean that out, put it back on there, pressurize it. It's good to go. Like I said, this is the Chinese copy here. The Sure Shot Made in America ones, they're susceptible to the same thing. So don't think these things are junk. Clean it out. It'll work forever. I love them.